Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the target 600 dpi and the intended print dimensions. This determines pixel dimensions. Once done, open the highest resolution source you have in a full-featured editor. Make a duplicate file or layer immediately so you keep the original unchanged. Then check image mode and bit depth, because 8-bit versus 16-bit affects detail and editing headroom. Make sure rulers show inches so you see how pixels convert to dots per inch as you proceed. Now calculate the pixel dimensions. Multiply each print inch by 600 to get required pixels. You then resample the image to that pixel size. Select an interpolation method designed for enlargements, such as bicubic smoother or preserve details, because the algorithm affects edge and texture preservation. Upsample in small steps if needed, check for artifacts, and use local contrast and noise reduction sparingly. Once the new size is set, apply a controlled sharpening pass so edges remain crisp. Finish by saving a high-quality master, TIFF with LZW or a max-quality PNG, and embed the correct color profile for printing. Keep a layered editable file before flattening so you can revisit adjustments. When exporting for print, double-check that the document reads 600 dpi in file metadata and that your print driver isn't resampling again. If the output looks soft, check printer settings and retrace resampling steps. Often the issue is double resampling or an incorrect target size.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.